May integrity and honesty protect me, for I put my hope in you. Psalm 25 verses 21. Hello family, everyone, welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today we'll be meal prepping. Join me today as I make our soups for the month and beyond. As you already know, meal prep will definitely save your time, energy, and some coins as well. We all know what is going on in this world. We need to start planning our meals really well. Making some palmnut soup, peanut butter soup, and some chickenlightsoup as well, with it the very easiest way ever. So please stay tuned while we get through this together. All right, we are doing this together. Let's get started. I like to start off by prepping all my vegetables. Those that needs to be chopped, I'm going to chop it. Those that needs to be steamed, I'm going to steam it. I'll be making today, we will need to add these vegetables. I'm going to make it in a big batch. I have here some tomatoes and carrots and some onions as well. Not forgetting our peppers, of course. The actual quantities will be listed below. I went ahead to put my turkey berries, which is the apple on the side, because we'll be needing that in only our palmnut soup. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and chop or cut all the onions that I'll be needing in each and every soup. So I'm going to go ahead and chop a lot, and I'm going to blend my garlic, ginger, and some onions. I use both the white and the red ones. That is why we have that color over there. This is going to be our natural seasoning for today. And once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and also prep for my peanut butter. I use this brand, which is also very smooth, so I do not need to blend that at all. Please, if you're doing meal prep in bulk like this, make sure you come up with ingredients that are easy to work with. Okay, so I always go for this peanut butter, and it is really good. It works very well. So I'll go ahead and mix everything together. Add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste as well, and add few of some chopped onions. If you want to learn step-by-step recipe of my peanut butter soup, I have it on this channel, and I'm going to link it here and below in the description box. All right. See, I have left the peanut butter to just fry on its own, but please be mindful just so that you do not burn it. Okay, as I said, it's always important to use products that are easy to work with. So today I'll be using my canned palm nut, and it's super easy to work with. I'm going to put it in my bowl, and you will need some hot water, and I do not like to always waste the water that I use to boil the vegetables. It contains lots of nutrients, so when you throw it away, it's basically you throwing all the nutrients away. So I'm going to add it right here, mix everything together, cover it, allow it to sit until when we need it to add it back to the soup. Okay, you don't need to really do too much with this. Our palmnut is off the way now. We are done with it, and as you can see here, our peanut butter is just looking amazing. It's bubbly hot, and it has also beautifully released all the oil, all that natural oil that you love to use in other recipes if you want. I'm going to set it aside and go ahead and blend all my vegetables. Once I'm done with the vegetables, there are lots of dishes here, so I'm going to get rid of that and then begin with my meats. I'm going to clean all my meats and pack them into its various spots. the meat, I use some cow meat that is really bony. I like the bony parts, and I also use the cow foot as well, which is the kotoje. And I also added a bit of cow skin, cow stomach as well. These were basically all the meat that I had in the fridge, so I just had to empty it and make something out of it. All right, economics. So once I'm done, I'm going to basically share it among the palm nut and the palm peanut butter soup, and I'll go ahead and season it with all my ginger and garlic onion blend. And for the palm nut, I am not going to add any all-purpose seasoning to it. I'm going to season it instead with my prekese, and some momone as well. I make sure I add enough water for it to cook and soften up, because these are all stubborn meat. It does take a long time for it to cook. So while that is cooking, I'll go ahead and also clean and cut my chicken for my light soup. Having some chicken light soup at home is always useful. So once I'm done cutting and cleaning the chicken, I'll then go ahead and season it with my ginger, garlic and onion blend, and add some salt, a bit of all-purpose seasoning as well, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix it all together and I'll allow that to steam as well. I do have a step-by-step recipe of how I make my chicken light soup on here, and I'll go ahead and also link it below in the description box as well. Okay. So this has been steaming for the past 30 minutes or so, and I have to go ahead and make sure I stir it, especially at the bottom, so that nothing stick under it. And I'll go ahead and add some tomato puree. This is for the groundnut soup or the peanut butter soup. Mix everything together and add the vegetable blend. It is spicy too. It has about 5 to 7 pieces of habanero pepper, so you need to make sure you add it according to your taste. Okay, so I'm going to blend everything, allow it to steam again for the next 30 minutes, and then when I come back, I will add my fried peanut butter. It is amazing, and I'll do the same, pretty much the same thing to the palmnut soup as well, and to the chicken soup as well. It is very easy and very similar to handle. So all the soups are doing great now. All that you have to do is lower your heat on a low to medium heat, just so that you don't end up burning any of them. Okay, it is very, very important. The last one that we have not dealt with is the fish, because it really does not take that much time. Leave the soups to cook for the next 40 minutes. The chicken light soup will take less. It will take maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and the rest will take a lot longer. I'd like to thank you so much if you watched the show this far. I am so grateful. Having these soups at home will really save you all the headache and stress, and it will go well with your fufu, emoto, banku, rice, name it. It is absolutely amazing to have, all right? So the very last bit that I'll be doing is to steam my fish, and as you can see, all our soups are ready. I just feel relief right now, seeing that I am not going to think about any kind of soup throughout the month. It is absolutely worth the hassle today. So after about 7 minutes of steaming the fish, it was ready. And on this very day, we had to pair the peanut butter soup with some emoto. I have a recipe of emoto here, which I will link it below. And as we already know, peanut butter soup and rice balls is just so beautiful combo. It is just so amazing. And because I was doing meal prep today, I just wanted all of us to eat together, so we had just the best time eating this peanut butter soup with our motu. After that, the soup were already set to be packed. I had allowed it to cool down, and these are all going to the freezers. All right, this can be stored in the freezer for up to 3 months. So it's just a beautiful way to just release your stress, not to always worry yourself in the kitchen with all the hassle and whatnot, right? And at the latter stage of this video, you'll find out that I added the leftover palmnut soup into the steamed fish. That is because I did not want to add the fish together with the meat, because it ends up breaking easily. Okay, I just had to clarify that. Other than that, we're good and we are packing. And with our palmnut soup, I had excess oil from that, which I also thought is the best oil is the best palm oil you could ever have. And yeah, it was amazing. This meal prep really was life-saving. I truly hope you draw some inspiration, you get some motivation to make it at home as well. It really helps. Okay, thank you so very much, family, for watching. I really enjoyed your company, and let me know in the comment section which soup is your favorite. Which one do you want to have every other day throughout the year? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you once again for watching. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. And also, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.